香料就係用我哋嘅生命所產生嘅香氣。原來有兩種香氣，一個就係外院祭物嘅香氣，稱為讚美；一個就係進入至聖所之前點金香爐咧，用香料嘅，就係叫做敬拜。辛苦係已經識得 worship 神嘅，但係你唔識得 praise 神咧，咁你唔識得 worship 嘅。
Fragrance rises like morning dew, with every word my spirit too, touched by grace in holy light, presented before him its pure delight. Never by sights aside the prize, hearts open wide in which he resides. As sweet incense our prayers ascend, sacrifice character's essence. With hearts open wide we shall rise and sing. In the light of truth we praise our King. A sweet incense in every sacred space, through the haze we sing our praise, presented before our God with reverence. Incense that rises, sent to the highest, to the sky.
敬拜讚美我哋同神最基本嘅關係係一個好豐富、好顯淺嘅教導。如果你返一間教會咧，連呢個咁基本都未教過咧，你返緊咧一定係黑店嚟。連敬拜同讚美都分唔開嘅教會咧，根本佢從來都未敬拜讚美過，同神絕對係無份無關啊
Day to the night, shining so bright, our hearts align as one, we're his bride. As sweet incense our prayers ascend, sacrifice characters